Hello there, welcome back. So I got a 2011 Suzuki SX4. So the customer state the AC won't work. Take it to the shop, they couldn't figure it out what's going on. So they take it to me to make a try. So whenever I hit the button, the AC compressor won't come on, won't do anything. Nothing, is only blow air through the vent, and even the fan won't come on inside the engine room. So I'm going to show you how to bypass your temp sensor. So right here I got a 1 ohms resistor. That's it right here. So you can get this whole kit at AutoZone. Sorry, not AutoZone, Amazon. So this is the resistor. So on the passenger side, underneath the glove box where the blower motor is, you can locate this black wire. See this wire right here? You can get to it. So what I do, I unhook this wire. So if I plug this resistor in there, compressor gonna come on. So you just push it. I don't know, it's not focusing. Alright, so I'm gonna get the resistor inside the hole. Alright, so as soon as I plug it in, I can hear the AC compressor chip in. So I'm going to cut this wire and make a loop with it for the resistor. So now I'm getting cold here. Alright, so when I press the button, let me show you on the dash. So you know, normally you see the RPM shift. So I'm going to press the button on now. So you see it go up a little. So press it and go down back. Alright, so now I'm going to remove back the resistor and show what's going on. And now I unhook the resistor. I'm going to press back the button. And nothing going to happen. So now I press it. Nothing. So it's not doing anything, guys. Nothing. So I'm going to make a loop and show you guys how I make it. Alright guys, so now that's it right there. So I'm going to get a piece of tape and wrap this end. There, so it goes right there. Alright, so I tape it up, so I'm gonna plug it back in there. Alright, so it goes right in this connector. Turn it around. I don't know why this camera won't focus, but it's giving me trouble. Alright, so I get it in there, guys. Now the AC is working. It's getting cold. Alright, so that's it right there, guys. So if you're having the same issue with your car, you can try that method right here. So may work for you if you don't have any other issue. So thanks for watching, catch you another time, bye.